Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to an episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Today in the driveway, we have this Craftsman 17-inch 25cc 2-stroke Weedwacker. Model number 358-791-520. This is from 2005. It's in really good shape. It is here for a no start, okay? Primer bulb is still soft. Air filter is good. Okay, the issue is the fuel lines have completely rotted away. Okay, there is nothing in here. Actually, you know what? That's right. I tried putting fuel lines in this. So the fuel lines are rotted away. Okay, and this thing still doesn't run. I even hit it with go-go juice. And it'll run, but it will die. Alright, so that's what we confirm. Let's see what happens. Yeah, start, yeah. See that? It runs and dies. That's a fuel issue. So we are going to replace everything for less than 20 bucks. So we have our carburetor from China. It even says it. China. Our fuel filter. Spare power bulbs. It even came with the tool to adjust it. Now the reason why I ordered this tool is I can't find my Pac-Man tool, and I wasn't sure if it came with it or not. So, it is what it is. Nothing wrong with always having extra. And fuel line, which we need. And gaskets. So, let's start with getting this out. These are kind of tiny. So bear with me as I try and figure out the size. What does this say? 5:30 seconds to get this going. It's these two right here. Let's get that out. This gas is fresh. If yours isn't, dump it out and start all over again. This was dropped off for a repair, and then they took me advice and bought batteries, so now I own it. And we're going to resell it when we're done. So let's get that out. And let's see, it's been a while. Where did I leave off with this? I'm just trying to see if... Okay, so this fuel line isn't long enough. So let's get rid of this. We're going to actually switch this up because this hard line, believe it or not, the top one, the bigger one, is actually the return. We could verify which one is the return or not. When we prime, where does the fuel come out of? See that? This goes back into the tank. Let's pull this out. That's just 2 cycles going all over. Why am I putting this back in? Why am I doing that? That goes on the new one, dummy. So let's try one more time. Yep, so the bottom one is our return. Now here's our throttle cable. Now look at this. You see, guys, see this here? If we need to make adjustments, it's labeled high, low, and this is our idle. And this is where the throttle cable gets hooked up. just like so. And this is going to go down. And you see how this is cut on an angle? That will help you press that in, but this one has a nipple on the inside. Oh, it fell through. Great. So now that we could see the fuel line in here, right? You're going to need a pair of needle noses. Can you guys see this? This is going to be off camera, because I'm going to try and get this shot, and we're just going to pull it in with my needle nose. See how it's drawing the carburetor in? Right. It's just a return. It doesn't need to be as long as I made it, but that doesn't make a big deal. Now, it came with two different fuel lines. This is the return, the smaller one, and the big one is our feed. And the big one, by nature, is going to get this fuel filter at the end, like so. But we have to get this in there first. So, same thing. This is the side we're going to feed through the tank. We'll cut it on an angle. It'll make it easier to slide in. So, let's stick this in. Let's put the cap back on for now. Remember? Angle side, let me get you guys down. Remember, the side that we cut on an angle, we'll stick that in. Come on. Should be nice and easy. See that? Good. Right, and we're going to twist it. We just need to get this started. We're going to twist and push down. Which is perfect. Open it up. And you see, we have a little bit in there. I'm going to try and do this one hand and film with the other. I'm just going to grab it and pull it through, like so. See how we're pulling out? Which is fine. Well, that's what she said. Pulling out. We're just going to pull that through. Now we want to get some nice length on this, right? We'll drop, just press this in here, because, let's cut this first. Because this has to sit at the bottom of the tank. You try and get it, you know, right here. You're low on fuel. You're low on fuel. So we're just going to stick that in there. Okay. Let's put our cap back on. Okay, let's get our carburetor mocked up and in, and then we will get the fuel line to length. Okay, remember, this was up top on the side. And let's just get this started by hand, nice and easy. Don't go crazy. I don't like using my electric tools for little stuff like this. It's not necessary. Simple and quick and easy as it is, there's no need to try and make it any quicker. If you over torque and tighten and strip, it's going to take a really simple job and make it a lot more complicated. Okay. So now We have our fuel line in, so we know we need to get up here, right? Because look, see how you just know. Well, that's weird. Alright, so let's cut this up top. Let's prime. We are priming. So let's just jam these in here. Alright, so let's clean these up a little bit. And we're just gonna pull these. There's nothing to trim. We're just gonna pull it through. Oh, look at this. You see that? You guys see that? I kinked the line. Oops! Alright, so let's just free it up. Let's slide it out. Did I break it? Did I nick it? No. Yay! Snug it down. Okay, let's go with our needle nose again. And let's just pull this so nothing's in the way. This is just the feed to return the bad gas, the unused gas when you prime it, back in. Okay? Now, we're going to prime and see if there's any adjustments that need to be made. Now, when you make adjustments, you must make sure your air filter is on and back in place. Nope, now the other one. Hook at the bottom. Come on, hook. Come on. And we're in. Okay, so we will see if this needs adjustments. Let's see what we got. Actually, we have to make a couple of adjustments. So remember, here's the old carburetor. High is closest to the intake. Okay, and this is our low speed. So first we're going to adjust the high speed. This is right. First we're going to adjust the high speed. So we're going to get this thing to power up, and we're going to play with the adjustments. We're going to open and close it and see what we get. We're going to use the spline tool that came with the carburetor. Okay, almost there. Now it's actually holding an idle. Let's see if it holds. Oh, that's beautiful. That's perfect. I just did my yard. that's it. Alright guys, less than 20 bucks. You got a carburetor, fuel lines, fuel filter, and a tool to adjust it, which we needed, which is very important. So anyway, if you guys found this video helpful, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and guess what? I'll see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance. And don't forget the Mrs. and I, we go live every 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Alright guys, later.